Hello everyone, Andrew Gehrig here with Mohawk Valley Handyman. Today we're going to talk about a seldom discussed home repair item, replacing a steel Lally column. Lally columns are incredibly important because they support the load and structure of your home. So let's dive into today's video and check it out. Today we're replacing the screw type two-piece Lally column, which are designed for temporary loads. You can see the thickness of the steel here, and they're held together with a couple of pins. This is adjustable for multiple heights. This is, like I said, for a temporary use case, but a lot of houses have them there permanently for their main support columns. I'm going to show you the end of this one. This was touching the ground. You can just see how rusted and corroded it was to the point where it wasn't really doing much supporting anymore. So we'll go inside and take a look at what we put on. So moving inside here to the replacement Lally column, we can see that it is a one-piece column, unlike the other, which was a two-piece. It is designed for permanent installation, and it has a screw adjustment on the bottom, so it fits a variety of heights. Not quite as wide a variety as the other type. This fits 6'9" to 7'1". It's a 3-inch column and it's rated for 17,000 pounds. Now, one thing to note on this, in the instructions, it says that it needs to be encased in concrete. Since we have a slab here with presumably a footer underneath the slab where the original was, we're going to need to encase that in concrete. So we're going to be building it. We've got this form here and we'll pour concrete around it with surface bonding agents to help get a bond to the floor and prevent this from ever moving or adjusting on its own. And now we have the finished column in place. And you'll notice down here at the bottom we have our concrete that is poured around the screw adjustment jack, and preventing that from ever moving and helping to secure the column in place. So as you can tell, replacing steel Lally columns when they show signs of rust or deterioration at the bottom is very important. Continuing to make sure that your home stays well supported. If Lally columns are not replaced in a timely manner, it can lead to sagging floors, cracking drywall, and issues with doors opening and closing. So thanks for checking out this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. See you next time.